Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Fishstick from Fortnite. So to start off with Fishstick, we're going to begin at the top of our paper and I want to begin with his eye. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a circle like this for his eye. Then in the middle of it, I'm going to make a black dot. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down. And then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves up a little bit. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over to right about here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and it's just going to curve up and I'm going to stop it right about there. I want to leave some space right there. Now the reason I left space here is because he's got like a starfish eye patch. So to draw that, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just goes out and is just going to come down a little bit past that line. Then I'm going to draw this line up and over. And then I'm going to draw this line at a diagonal. And then I'm going to draw this one at a diagonal and go over. And then I'm just going to connect this one down here. Then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines right there to make it look like it's popping out. Make this one a little longer too. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then it's going to come down right here by his eye. And then I'm going to draw a little line, I'll make kind of big, a little line right here to show where the little strap is for the eye patch. Now for his hat. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then over like this. Then I'm just going to go down and then back up. Then right here, I'm just going to curve this down, go out a little bit, and then bring it right back towards the eye. Then on this hat, I'm going to redraw this line on the inside. So starting here, I'm just going to redraw this line just like that. Then I'm going to put a little bump back here. So now for his mouth. So his mouth is a really long, skinny oval. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a long, skinny oval like this. And then I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a smiley face line in here, and I'm going to make it a little bit darker like this. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then back up like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down. And then I'm going to draw another one right here, kind of at an angle for his shoulders. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then another line that goes down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and I'm just going to connect this for like his vest. So starting here, we'll do the same thing. We'll go down, over at a diagonal, and then connect it to the vest, or the other line to make the vest. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then kind of comes in, and then I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to stop it there. And then I'm just going to make another little bump here, and that's just to show the kind of like the folds in a shirt. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up for his belt. I'm going to draw a little curved line right here for one part of his belt. And then a couple little notches on here. Now for his pants. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Then I'm going to take this really far out and then bring it back in. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, but I'm going to put two bumps over here. Then I'm just going to go straight across, and I'm going to go down here and straight across. And then I'm just going to make a big sad face to connect these. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Then I'm going to connect these. Then I'll do the same thing here, draw two lines that go down, and then just connect them. Now for his foot. So to draw his foot, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, down, and up like this. And then I'm just going to redraw that shape again down here and connect it. So then same thing here, draw a line that goes down and then up. And then just redraw that shape for the foot. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, down, and back in for one of those little pouches. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and over. Now on his vest, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then another little line down. And then on his shirt, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and down. And then I'm going to put a few little lines on here like this, just to show that's kind of stitched in there. So now for his arms. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down right to about here. And then another one that just goes down here, getting a little skinnier as I bring them in. Then I'm going to make a little thumb right here. And then I'm going to go down and then curve back up for one of his hands. And then I'll add two little lines in here. Now I want his other one to look like he's kind of scratching his head. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up to here. And then the other one's going to start here, and I'm just going to curve up, getting a little bit skinnier as I get towards the top. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then curves down. And then I'm just going to go up and then down again. And then I'm just going to curve this back to here. And then I'll just add a couple little lines on there. Now, one of the last things we want to do is give him his gills. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and I'm going to draw three of them like this. Then I'm just going to add these two little curved lines in between them. And then the same thing over here, draw three little lines. And then draw some curves in between them. Then on his pants, I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down here, and then I'm going to add more of those little stitches. And then I'm going to put a little square line over here and add some stitches. Then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines in here just to show that his pants are kind of, sticking out. And there you go. There is your drawing of Fishstick from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.